Hi there, hi there, hi there, hi there. So, in this video, I'm going to draw.
久しぶりだな、善逸。
Before starting this drawing, I wish everyone a very happy new year. So, for the drawing, I'm using this reference of ZENITSU, in which he's holding a sword with an angry face, which is looking very powerful. So, let us first begin with the outlines. So his face looks something like this. Next, I'm continuing with the upper body of ZENITSU, which includes the sword, So to draw this sword, I require scale, which is not visible to me right now. So no problem. Let us find a hack. I know it was a such transition. Yes, I've turned out this color pencil into my scale. Finally, I drew a straight line with this colored pencil successfully. Now it's time for some hydration. Make sure you subscribe and like. Until then,
One eternity later.
make sure to keep yourself hydrated, but during winters, I know. Now let us get continued with the drawing. Now, let us add some detailing to the sword. Yeah, now the sword got some look. Let us quickly finish the rest part of the drawing. Finally, I have completed the outline of ZENITSU, and now it's time to highlight it. Oh my god, the sunlight falling on the drawing is making it look so cool. Okay, finally the drawing is complete and it looks something like this. But I made some mistake. The ink got spread and I don't know what to do with this. Okay, no issues. Let us find some solution while coloring this drawing. Coloring part will be in the next video, so make sure to subscribe my channel and you'll find out how I'll find the solution for the problem. That's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to click the like button. I'll meet you in the next one.